you need to track products individually by serial number. Emerge makes it simple and accurate. So,
once a product is set as serial managed, Emerge tracks each individual unit throughout its entire life cycle. When you create a purchase order and receive goods into the warehouse, you assign serial numbers during the receiving process. You can enter serial numbers manually, or import them in bulk from an Excel file.
okay, now let's look at how serial numbers work during the sales and delivery.
When creating a sales order and dispatching products, Emerge requires you to select the exact serial numbers being sold. Your warehouse team can use barcode scanning, on a smartphone or handheld scanner, to scan serial numbers during picking and dispatch. After that, you need to enter warranty information for products that have been sold. To view all sold products managed by serial number, use the serial number report. This report shows sales orders, invoices, and warranty end date for each serial number. You can also go directly to the product and serial number section, where the real-time status of all serial numbered items is displayed in one place. Finally, for costing and financial management, Emerge tracks accurate data for serial managed sales, including cost, tax, gross profit, and profit margin.